good day, YouTubers, friends, and family across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we're on August 21st, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. And yeah, we've had a busy 24 hours, busy 48 hours, a lot going on. So we're going to start here. This is the global precipitation map on Pacific Disaster Alert, where I get all of my alerts for floods, fires, extreme weather events, tornadoes, hurricanes, everything. And we're just going to overlook the precipitation. Now, there's an awful lot of precipitation falling recently in Southeast Asia and parts of India, especially Japan and southeastern China, Taiwan, and Malaysia. All these areas are being hit hard this year by typhoon after typhoon and nighttime, daytime monsoons. I've been watching the weather maps here for months, and it just seems like it's raining every day and every night in parts of Indonesia and Malaysia and the Philippines. Stay aware and prepared, folks. We have a lot of Filipino people here in Canada who like to come and work. Keep your friends and family aware. Just going to overlook the lightning over this last little while too. Still very charged and electric atmosphere in Italy and over North America. We're also going to give a quick rundown on the tropical storms around the world. We do have three. We have Hurricane Lane, who is a Category 2 turning into a 4. Actually is a Category 4 now, and then downgrading to a 3, but is still on a projected path to Hawaii. So Hawaii, stay aware, Hurricane Lane is taking over. Now, Typhoon SOULIK is also another major storm that is going to cause havoc in South Korea. It has already flooded really south parts of Japan and the small islands south of Japan. Watch for the first wave to be hitting tonight in South Korea, and wave after wave as Typhoon CIMARON is right behind. So wow, these are some big storms, and I'm going to show you in a few moments the projected path for these two storms. I'm going to give a quick rundown on the earthquakes here. We did have that 7.1 earthquake in Venezuela, 20 kilometers off the coast, sending tsunami warnings and tsunami videos popping up all over the place, and a lot of damaged villages and cities, small coastal towns. Also looking at a couple rare earthquakes in Africa and off the coast of Africa. And the Philippines has been rocking today as well, and also Papua New Guinea with a 6.7 in Papua New Guinea. So yeah, we did have that solar wind stream, and look what it's done. And it's even affected our atmosphere, as we have seen weather patterns change drastically. For instance, over Africa here, watching this large low pressure development right in the middle of Africa heading to the Atlantic coast. So watch for possible Atlantic storm development in the coming days, most likely in 4 days. So by the 26th, we might have a pretty nasty Atlantic storm brewing. Overlooking in the West Pacific, the twin storms heading towards Japan. Now this is the last 2 days in animation. And there is not much stopping it right now. There is no cold front above from Russia. Nothing. Overlooking the Goes East satellite over North America, that large low that has trekked across the North America, bringing a lot of tornado warnings, hail events, flood events, and also some extreme weather in Ontario, as well as that very humid air mass moved east. And you can see there is a northern front trying to push through right now, and those are some pretty cold temperatures. And I'm going to show you what that is going to do in the next few days. once I get to the 5-day forecast. And now we're looking over at the Goes West satellite, it's the East Pacific, watching Hurricane Lane head west, and also that large low pressure smashing into a large high pressure over BC, California, sending it north to the cold air, and then eventually it will be coming down. And I'm going to show you right here. That large low later in the week will be coming down with some cold air, and it's already bringing snow to parts of the Yukon and Nunavut and the Northwest Territories. So yeah, we might have an early winter, folks. Stay aware and prepared. Watch for these cold temperatures very close to Calgary, right in the mountainous areas. So areas closer to the mountains and the foothills could see snow next week. Now watch as this large low that ripped across North America is going to join forces with one in the Hudson's Bay. And again, day after day, night after night of rain throughout parts of Malaysia, Southeast Asia, the Philippines. These monsoon rains are setting records in a lot of states and provinces and islands. So stay aware and prepared, folks. We might have an influx of some environmental refugees hitting our nation, and that's okay. More the merrier. Stay aware and prepared. Share with your friends and family from across the world. This has been Mike with your Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Watching the world for you. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.